is my 2016 5-litre V8 Ford Mustang. It's got a hell of a lump under the bonnet, and from factory these sound pretty good. However, this one does have a unique special exhaust system, and today I'm going to talk all about it. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. So, the Borla S-Type, it's a catback system made out of stainless steel, and this one was spec'd by the previous owner. It wasn't fitted by myself, with black tips, and there is some Borla branding on the edge there, which looks really quite nice. The factory system comes with steel tips, and as I say, it doesn't quite have the shaking rumble that this system does. So really pleased with it actually. It sounds absolutely amazing. These cars do come with the option of either a 5-litre V8 or a 2.3 EcoBoost. Now, in my personal opinion, it's an American muscle car. So obviously if fuel economy is very important to you, then there may well be a reason that you might want to opt for the 2.3. Now, I've never driven one, but I have heard from people that have suggested that the engine is still pretty strong. It is essentially the Focus RS engine. So I'm sure it's a great bit of kit. But for me personally, it had to be the V8. So as you will have heard at the beginning of the footage, that was a cold start, and now let's hear what she sounds like when she's warm. I'm sure you'll agree, it sounds monstrous. Heel and toe downshifts sound amazing. Give it the beans. Never gonna get bored of that. That said, I think I'll be getting a Shell fuel card membership. Oh, it is warm in this car to have the windows up. This is my 2015. No, it's not, it's a 2016. Jesus. And I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, God, this is actually harder than it looks. Frank, you're going to have a right laugh editing these clips, aren't you? But we'll learn as we go. Everybody dance. Do, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands.